I am Liam Dance, and this is Cosmology 601, Black Holes and the Big Bang. In 501, we consider the supernova and the outer effect, the formation of secondary stars and a galaxy. Now we consider the inner effect. The supernova annihilation happens in a shell around the core, and the same energy pulse that triggered the formation of a galaxy as it expanded outwards also concentrated inwards and collapsed all the matter there, in particular all the neutrinos and kernels. This exposed the pinches of space within the kernels, which amalgamated. All the triads threw up a boundary. It was as if that part of the universe turned itself inside out. Instead of a small, hyperdense region with many small pinches, it became one large pinch surrounded by triads. All the matter was now spread 1 viton thick around the nothingness, producing a much larger region in just one moment. A black hole. And this conception of a black hole is called the membrane paradigm. This instantaneous expansion from a small dense region to a large bubble region is exactly what is supposed to have happened after the Big Bang. Inflation. Yet the black hole membrane is two-dimensional and 1 viton thick, whereas after the Big Bang the membrane was three-dimensional and 1 viton thick. Which makes me think that our universe is just one phase, that there is a 2D phase to come, and there was a 4D phase before. So by analogy, the Big Bang happened in the 4D phase. Inflation was part of the process, and we were gifted with a universe of neutrons and n-bars and 3 degrees of freedom. The vast majority of the neutrons and n-bars annihilated, producing the cosmic microwave background. But before this process was complete, some of the neutrons popped, becoming protons and electrons, and therefore becoming safe from annihilation. Black holes grow, not by consuming ordinary matter. Whatever can be annihilated is annihilated. The black hole only incorporates the kernels, absorbing their small pinches of space into its much larger one. Their primary diet is neutrinos. They can never evaporate, never shrink, although the triads on the membrane, the black hole membrane, rotate through the colour dimension without a break, and so never step through time. It is as if our universe shrinks from them. The neutrinos slow down as they approach, but only stop as they join the membrane, surrendering their pinches of space. Just as 99% of the photons in the universe are in the cosmic microwave background. It seems reasonable that 83% of the matter of the universe is composed of neutrinos in the cosmic neutrino background, seeing as how they are both produced in the same process, the Big Bang annihilation event. These Big Bang neutrinos started off with their maximum velocity, near light speed. They were going so fast that they had no effect on the clumping together that produced the first stars and galaxies. And the chances of them bumping into each other, or anything else, are vanishingly small. But after 13.8 billion years, that small chance has become a near certainty. Now they have a complete range of velocities, speeds, directions, and they have gravitated to the galaxies in a general sort of way. Those with relative velocities that match stars will drift into the centres of them and congregate. They are like bar magnets, so they stick to each other and form a mass in the core of the star. It is this mass that forms the black hole when the star dies in a supernova. So dark matter is overwhelmingly composed of slow neutrinos that now just cuddle up to regular matter. No wonder they are so hard to detect. My prediction this time cannot be tested, so is highly speculative. That all the black holes merge, snapping off those connected fingers of space, which become the boundary of the next phase of the universe. The black hole membranes, now continuous, full of triads and antitriads, have the freedom to pass through time, and the vast majority of them annihilate.